Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a ratcheting wheel dolly. Just preface this by saying that I think my particular unit is defective, but anyways, I can show you how it works so you can understand how to use it, and it's a pretty nice tool. So basically, if you flip this latch up and you push, it basically raises the tire tooth by tooth, and then if you flip it down, it should like lower it tooth by tooth. But for whatever reason, mine doesn't really work like that, where I have to like pull it in and out to basically lower it, and sometimes it gets stuck. So you use your flathead and you can pop it up like that. So if you put it onto the tire, you're going to want to use this. I'm using it for wheel rotations. If you want to use four of them, you can move cars around. But since I'm using it for wheel rotations, you also want to use your normal jack as well. So normally you should just be able to keep pumping without having to stop like this. But like I said, I think this unit's kind of defective. So I have to keep pushing down so it reaches the tooth. And then you can lift the tire up basically. And then use your jack to support. And then take your lugs off. You should be able to take the wheel off. So it makes it a lot easier because I don't have to lift the tire, especially when I have like SUV tires that are super heavy. And I'm showing you can rotate it too. So that way when you rotate the tires, you can line up the new tire with your hub. You put it back in. If you need to raise or lower it, you can. That way it aligns correctly with the hub. And you can get your wheel right on. And then you just put your lugs back in and then tighten those up. And that's pretty much it for the wheel dolly part, but it just makes it a lot easier without having to lift and strain so much. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and release it and then get the wheel dolly out of the way, tighten your tires, tighten your lugs, and then put your car down, and then you're done with your tire rotation. So hope that helped.